Good evening, welcome to my field Science and Happiness. I hope you all are well, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am going to start one important topic or chapter which is very important for your board exams for class 10 students. The chapter is chemical calculations. To start with this chapter, we first have some previous concept of atoms, molecules, molecular formula, molecular weight, mole concept, etc. So, to have a better understanding of the subject or the topic, you should not skip the video. Okay, we start from atomic weight. Atomic weight is the relative weight of any atom with respect to hydrogen atom. As for example, atomic weight of oxygen is 16, atomic weight of carbon is 12, as you know from my earlier video. Now, what is molecular weight? Similarly, molecular weight is the relative mass of any molecule, that may be of element or compound, with respect to one hydrogen atom's weight. As for example, the molecular weight of H2O is equal to 18. How can we come to this value? We should first write the formula of water. As for example, the formula of water is H2O, so its molecular weight will be 2 into 1 plus 16 for oxygen equal to 18. So it is the molecular weight of water. Then, as we have earlier discussed, the mole concept. What is mole? Or atomic weight or molecular weight of any substance expressed in gram is called the mole. You confirm. So molecular weight of water is 18. So what is 1 mole of water? 18 gram of water equal to 1 mole. Another information you should be aware with, that what is mole from the concept of number. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of any substance is called 1 mole. That is, Avogadro's number of any fundamental species may be taken to be as 1 mole. Another idea you should remember, what is 1 mole from the viewpoint of volume. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules of any species contains or occupy 22.4 liters of volume at STP. So 22.4 liters of any gaseous substance may be taken to be 1 mole. These are the concept of mole from different viewpoints. Another idea you should remember, M equal to 2D, that is molecular weight M is equal to 2 into the vapor density of the substance. Obviously that is for gaseous substance. Taking into consideration of all these concepts, we now enter into the concept of chemical calculations. For chemical calculations, we should first understand clearly what the chemical reactions is occurring in the situation. Then we should write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Then we should write the molecular weight in the balanced chemical equations, and then we start calculating. As for example, what volume of sulfur dioxide will be produced at STP on complete burning of 250 grams of sulfur. What do you understand from this statement? You must think that sulfur dioxide is being produced here by the combustion of sulfur with oxygen. So this is a reaction of sulfur and oxygen, and the product is sulfur dioxide. Now you should write the chemical reaction, chemical equation for the reaction. What is that? S plus O2 equal to SO2. This is the balanced chemical equation. Then you should write the molecular weights in the equation. Below the equation, S is 32 and sulfur dioxide is, as it is in the volume form, so you should write 22.4 liters at STP. We need not write the molecular weight in gram here, because we are directly going from gram to liters. Burning of 32 gram of sulfur produces 22.4 liters of sulfur dioxide, because 1 mole of sulfur dioxide equal to 22.4 liter and 1 mole of sulfur equal to 32 gram. So burning of 250 gram of sulfur produce 22.4 into 250 by 32 liter of sulfur dioxide equal to, it is true for every substance. Now this is equal to 175 liter of SO2. Coming to another example, we are going to the reaction of 22.47 gram of chalk with excess hydrochloric acid. How much moles of carbon dioxide will be produced at STP? Now you should write the balanced equation. CaCO3 and HCl produces CaCl2, water and carbon dioxide. Balanced equation is CaCO3 plus 2HCl equal to CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. Now the molecular weight of CaCl3 equal to 100. How do you come? Calcium is 40, carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 2 32, total equal to 100 grams. And we need carbon dioxide. We need not write the molar mass, we should write the volume, 22.4 liter at STP. So 100 grams of chalks produce 22.4 liter of carbon dioxide, and 20.7 gram of chalk will produce 22.7 into 20.7 by 100 equal to 4.636 liter of carbon dioxide STP. Now what is the number of moles of carbon dioxide produced? Equal to 4.036 divided by 44, because this is the volume, this is the number of molecular weight is equal to 44, and molecular weight equal to 44, so it is 4.636 divided by 44 equal to 0.105. This is all for the day. You should subscribe the channel to get notifications, and for the betterment of your study for board exams, I will cover all the chapters of class 10 thoroughly, one by one. Thank you. Good night.